Sometimes we need to partition our data based on some condition. For example, we may need to partition our movies into two categories: movies that have more than 20 likes and movies that have fewer than 20 likes. We have a collector for this purpose. Let me show you. So we get a stream, and then we call the collect method. Here we pass collectors dot partitioning by. Now here we should pass a predicate, a function that takes a movie object and returns a Boolean. Based on this condition, we can partition our movies. So let's say m goes to m.getLikes greater than 20. Now, look at the result. Here we get a map of Boolean to a list of movies. So in this map, we're going to have two entries. One entry will hold the movies with more than 20 likes, and the other entry holds the other movies. Now, just like the group by method, we can pass a second collector, which we call a downstream collector. So look at the signature of this method. We can pass a predicate and a collector object. So I'm going to put this on a new line so you can see clearly. As the second argument to the partitioning by method, I'm going to use collectors dot mapping. I want to map these movie objects to strings and then join them using a comma. So we use a method reference here, movie get title, and then we use a second collector for joining. Actually, I prefer to put the comma over here. So collectors, the joining using a comma. That's the end result. Now let's print the result and run the program. So in the false category, that is movies with fewer than 20 likes, we have these two movies. And in the true category, we have this other movie.